a hella busy day. So let me preview you with the joys that await after a very long day of leading, teaching, filming, content making, blah, blah, social media, blah. So, coming your way is, this is a special treat, the Creative Contessa reading Dr. Seuss's ABC book. Yes, you heard it right. You'll see it here. Also, we have an unboxing of replica reproduction medieval gear from a top quality craftsman. We have Dressing the Contessa is coming your way with all the layers from the ground up. Then we also have a tutorial on dancing with long skirts. You all know I love my trains. I am just that sort of Contessa. We also have a video on dance posture and how you can carry yourself and look just like me. I think it's good word, but whatever. Then we also have a film on the dance Green Ginger, which, if you participated in my ball today, was the final dance that everyone seemed to love so much. We also have a video on how to find rhythm in music that doesn't have a drum, and also answering some questions by my various students and patrons. So all of that is coming your way. I hope you appreciate the lengths that I go to fill your lives with joy, beauty, and meaning. Ta-ra.